Make this my talking, chit-chat, gossip, Onlyfans account and not like the booty videos that I usually do. Anyways, it is tax time, and tax time has done me so fucking dirty. Like, when you're broke, you almost have to get a tax return every single time. And that used to be me. Last year I got like $500 return. But this year, I have to pay pretty much $15,000 in tax. And I've never paid that much money for anything in my whole life apart from my car. And it's a scary thing. It's a scary thing to do. But then I also have to remind myself I am earning more money, so I shouldn't feel bad. I just wish I knew more about tax time and finances. But yeah, that's my rant of the day.
Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. What you saw here was young Aussie reveals massive $15,000 after completing tax return. That's right folks, she is not the only one who is experiencing a massive tax bill. An Aussie Onlyfans creator has revealed her shock at being slugged with a $15,000 tax bill after completing her tax return. Adelaide woman Kalia Smith revealed to her followers that she was being told she owes the ATO thousands of dollars for the money she had to make through her content throughout the year. Okay, so this is basically just repeating what she said over the video. Now I'll skip to the part where however some commenters were less than sympathetic to the 21-year-old rant and telling her this is what happens if you don't pay tax throughout the year. Wants all the income and not the bad that comes with it, one person said. Tell me you have never worked a full-time job. Well, telling me you have never worked a full-time job in your life, okay? Now, Kalia hits back at these commenters, explaining she has the money to pay the tax bill in full, but this is the first time she had a job where taxes weren't automatically taken from her income throughout the year. Understand I had to pay taxes, LMAO. This is literally just TikTok. Chill, she said. Okay, looks like sometimes commenters can be mean. Anyway, the OnlyFans creator also noted that she had an accountant and submitted $27,000 in deduction when completing her tax return this year, but noted she would be looking to pay her tax in installments throughout the year, so she wasn't slugged with a massive bill next tax period. Aussie OnlyFans creators can make regular tax payments on their income with pay-as-you-go installments if they don't want to end up with a big tax bill at the end of the financial year. If creators don't want to pay throughout the year, the ATO suggests they put money aside to cover their tax bill when it arrives. I believe that's what she have done. Any income above the $18,200 tax-free threshold is subjected to income tax. Kalia is far from the only Aussie ranting about her tax bill online, with the end of the low and middle income tax offset, meaning plenty of people are facing unexpected debts. Introduced as a temporary measure in the 2018-19 federal budget, the offset meant those earning between $37,000 and $126,000 were eligible for a tax cut up to $1,500. Now it has expired. Many Aussie are realizing just how much they rely on that extra boost come tax time, and they're unhappy. Oh boy. A recent final survey of more than 1,000 Aussies show 1 in 3 people revealed this year a tax refund is very important or crucial to their financial health. The research found 50% of Australians will be using their refund to pay for household bills, 5% will be putting towards their mortgage, and 4% will use it to pay off existing credit card debt. Alison Barney, money expert at Fondo, said the current economic situation meant the reliance on tax returns have never been higher. Whenever it's to pay back debt, both their savings or help with everyday expenses, millions of Australians are relying on a return, she told news.com.au. However, with the removal of the low and middle income tax offset, this year lots of Australians will likely to get less money back in their tax return this year compared to the last 2 years. A Melbourne woman who goes by Josephine Sunshine on TikTok was one of many Aussies who were shocked to discover that owed money to the ATO. In the video expressing her frustration, the young woman said she was fully convinced that the ATO has a problem with people who work full time. Yeah, I guess not everyone is happy with the ATO this year. Because I just don't understand how you tax me so much and then you tell me that I still owe you money, she said. But then people who are on F and Centrelink or barely working who got taxed the minimum get all the money back. Okay. That's interesting. People have been sharing screenshots of what they owed the ATO online, with food blogger who goes by the name Ray Foodie Online revealed she was slugged with a $10,537 bill. Some of many other bills that have been shared range between $6,500 and $9,000. Claire Ventans, another Aussie who revved up by the realization that she owed money after completing her tax return. Does the government hate us? Does Australia hate us? I just want to know, asking a friend, she said in a recent TikTok video. She asked her followers if anyone else had logged in to complete their return this year, thinking they would be getting a little something back, only to be slapped in the effing face. Claire's claims she had already paid $20,000 in taxes throughout the financial year, was now being told she owes more. I have nothing else to give. Do you want my kidney next? She said. I'm sure thousands of other people are in the same situation as me. Oh boy, looks like this won't gonna stop for this financial year. Anyway, folks, what do you reckon about people's fury of their tax returns? Let your thoughts know in the comment section. Have a good day.